What's good, everybody? Back again. Just with the update, the grill is finally installed. I mean, just look at that. Looks super mean, super aggressive. What I said in the beginning of this video, they didn't do anything about customer service, no nothing. Anyway, still looks great on the car. It took just an extra few minutes to assemble it, but definitely wasn't rocket science, so it's definitely really clean. Yeah, everybody, this was just an update video. Got some more stuff coming. I'm trying to do coils or something to lower the wheel gap. We got some killer gap, more on the front than the back. But yeah, everybody, we're gonna hit some car meets this weekend. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a happy Father's Day, and catch you guys later.